Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you how to split the word into characters and then print the characters in ascending order in SQL. So this is my profile. I have 13 plus years of experience on Microsoft technologies. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is how we can split the word into characters and then print it in the SQL in the ascending order. So recently I got a question from one of my subscribers, Dina Bondhu, and he asked the same question. So I thought to make a video on this one. So let's jump to the demo. I have SQL Server 2019 instance, and let me create a new query here. So I have already written the store procedure, and maybe I can explain you. So I will share this script with you, so you can download it from the description of the video, and maybe you want to work with it, then you can test it in your environment. So I'm creating a print word in ascending order store procedure, and what I'm doing, actually I have declared three variables here, word, C and A. This store procedure requires an input parameter sentence. So whatever input parameter you will provide to the store procedure, it will actually split that word into characters and it will print it one by one in the ascending order, and it will increase the characters at every row. Okay, so what we are doing here, that we have declared three variables, and now whatever sentence value input parameter we have given to the store procedure, that will be assigned to the word SQL variable. And now we have declared a SQL variable A, and whose value we have assigned as 1. And now we are simply running a while loop, that if the value of A will be less than the max length of word, then what we are doing, we are just running a substring function. And what actually substring function does, that it accepts three parameters. The first parameter is the string from which we want the substring. So we can have a string and then we want to extract some string from that string. So that parameter we need to pass as the first parameter. The second parameter is the position parameter, like from which position we want the characters from the string. And now the third parameter is the length, like how many characters we want from a string. So for example, if I write a substring function here, and I'm passing, for example, Akil Ahmed is my query. Okay, and suppose if I want Ahmed from it, so Ahmed, the position of the Ahmed is 6, so I will pass 6 here, and the characters in the Ahmed are 5, so I will pass 5 here. So now if I will execute this query, so it will return Ahmed, because I am passing the position number 6 here and the length here. So similar is the thing here, that the position is fixed, so every time it will start fetching the data from the first position, and we are passing the number of characters to fetch in the form of the variable A. So for first time it will be 1, and then whatever string it will return, that string will be assigned to the variable C, and then we are just printing the variable C here, and then for each iteration we are just increasing the value of A to A plus 1. So in the first iteration it will return the one character, then in second iteration it will return 2 characters, and then 3, 4, 5 and so on. So let me just create this store procedure here. So the store procedure has been created, and now suppose if I want to call this store procedure, so how I will call, I will run exec, then store procedure name, and then I can write the word that I want to split into characters, and then I want to print it. So for example, if I write computer, which was written in the original question, so it will return the data like this, C, CO, COMs, like this. And I can also pass multiple words as well. For example, I can pass Akil Ahmed, my name here. So if I pass like this, so you can see that it is started from like AQ, and then it printed the whole word, and then it started with increasing one by one. You can pass multiple words as well. Yeah, so I think that's a good practice of writing SQL. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and click on all, so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.